power outage got you down? Say hello to the BlipOne. It's a smart home battery for everyone. It's easy to set up, could pay for itself, and is good for the planet. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or severe weather, outages happen. Today's battery systems are expensive, need professional setup, and are usually permanent for homes and businesses. But if you live in a condo, apartment, or need a simpler backup solution, you're out of luck. And no power means you won't be working from home. Enter BlipOne. It's a portable power station that provides 2.2 kilowatt hours of efficient power. Use it for your laptop, freezer, refrigerator, microwave, space heater, lamp, AC unit, and more. And to charge it, all you need is a standard outlet. No electricians or landlords necessary. So the next time the grid lets you down, you can keep the lights on. BlipOne is cost-effective. Its real-time algorithm lets it automatically store energy when it's cheaper. Then, during peak hours, BlipOne runs your most power-hungry devices off its battery. This saves you money, and in some areas, it means BlipOne could pay for itself. Plus, by cutting energy use during peak hours, you reduce our use of fuel-burning power plants. That can save up to 100 kilograms of carbon emissions per year. So you can reduce your carbon footprint without lifting a finger. BlipOne's built-in handle and wheels let you roll it around easily. With its vertical design, it fits neatly into your home. And with the Blip app, you can update your energy settings from anywhere. Life can be unpredictable, but with BlipOne, you'll always have peace of mind when it counts. BlipOne, the smart home battery for everyone. Get yours now at blipenergy.com.